Come on, try.
Let me put my shit in. This is gonna be good. Oh my god. How the fuck did you do this?
Just get out. It's not
I
that
can't get on it. It's too fucking hot. Oh my god.
What, you can't?
I can't do it. I can't do it. Mike was like, oh, just get on it. How did you do
Hold
this?
it. No,
Oh, I'm
no.
gonna fall.
Look. Shall I show you? It's not that difficult. Here,
Yes.
hold me. Just like this.
I think you're taller than me.
Well, just like this, no? You know, like this?
Yeah?
No, here, not here, but just like that.
Yeah? Then how did you get off?
Just stop. Put your leg here.
Okay.
Not that difficult.
Okay.
It's not that difficult. Oh no, not like that. Yeah, like that, and put your leg over. No, yeah, there. And then hop. Come on. Yay. You're riding the bike. There she goes. Why? Because you couldn't first?